In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails in Zoho CRM. If you've ever felt the need to communicate efficiently with multiple contacts or leads without having to email each one individually, you've stumbled upon the perfect solution. We'll walk you through the process of sending bulk emails, ensuring you reach your audience swiftly and with the utmost efficiency. To kick things off, you'll first need to navigate to your desired module within Zoho CRM. This could be your contacts module, leads, or a custom module that you've set up to better suit your needs. Each module holds its own set of records, which is why it's crucial to select the appropriate one that contains your intended recipients. Once you're inside your chosen module, it's time to narrow down the list to only those records that you actually want to email. You can do this by applying specific filters. Perhaps you're targeting leads from a certain industry, or maybe you have a saved list view that accurately captures your audience. Go ahead and either apply these filters or directly select a saved list view to reveal the records that fit your criteria. Now, move forward by checking the records that you want to include in your mass email. It sounds simple, and it is. Just review the list and tick off each record you intend to contact. This is your opportunity to ensure accuracy, making certain that you're not missing out on anyone important, or, conversely, including people you didn't intend to. With your recipients selected, locate the Actions button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Mass Email followed by +Create Mass Email. This step will open up a host of options for crafting your email. You're now in the thick of email creation. The To field is the first one you'll tackle. Generally, this will automatically populate based on the criteria from your view or applied filter, so ensure it reflects the right selections. Next up is choosing your template. One of the advantages of Zoho CRM is the ability to use pre-created email templates, which streamlines your messaging and maintains consistency. So, pick a template that aligns with your communication goals. The From field offers choices too. You can either send your email from a personal address if the message is personal, or opt for an org-wide address for a more formal touch. Take a moment to consider your send options. If you're ready to hit the ground running, opt for the Send Now feature. However, if timing is a crucial factor, or if you believe a later hour might yield better responses, select the Schedule Later option and choose a time that aligns with your strategy. Optionally, you might want to explore follow-up emails. This nifty feature allows for automated emails based on how the recipients interact with your initial email, like if they open it or click links. It's a handy tool for nurturing leads further down your sales funnel. After ensuring everything is in place, click Send or Schedule. Just like that, you've sent a mass email from Zoho CRM. Congratulations on taking a step towards enhancing your communication tactics. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your CRM capabilities.